So you probably don't have an entire bookcase dedicated to all this information you want to get. But if you're looking up simple shit, like you want to know how much primary oil your bike takes or some dumb shit, it's really not that bad. I'm going to go home to do it because you can do this too. It's really easy. Okay, to look up information about your Harley Davidson from 1981 to present, all you're going to do, go to Google, HD V.I.N lookup. Bam, that's the first thing. Click on it. Click on your language. Yada, yada, yada. I agree. You can see it says clearly right there, 1981 to present. I'm gonna have to black out part of this. Now the vast majority of them are gonna be 1HD1. Start off then. Once it goes green, you know you got enough letters and crap. And look, here's my motorcycle. I want to go to owner's manual. Just so, if you need to know your submodel information, that's going to be here at the top. See, I've got a 1200 low. But actual vital information you'll need. Go to owner's manual, click on this guy, and you're going to see all kinds of crazy shit. So the things that are actually the most useful are going to be maintenance and lubrication. Like, let's say I want to change my primary trans fluid, but you don't know how much, you don't know when it'll be the correct amount because there's no dipstick. And right there, 32 ounces. Or let's say you don't know how to check your oil level. Some are on the side stand, some are straight up. Actually, we'll go to primary. We'll go to this first. Primary chain adjuster. All this information is literally available to anyone. Spark plug gaps. Where's engine oil? Tells you where the drain plug is. I mean, there's a lot of information that Harley's just giving you. That does not seem accurate, but start with less, add more. Oh, they differentiate checking and changing. And there you go, side stand check. That's what Jiffy means, side stand. So, hope this helps someone, because a lot of questions people ask on the internet can just be literally answered right off the service crap on the Harley website. Hope this helps.